Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a stack and getting the essentials in place. Install React Native or Flutter and create a node, JS or Firebase backend. Once done, define your question schema, fields for stem, choices, correct answer, tags, difficulty, and time limit in minutes, and create DB tables or collections with indexes for tag and difficulty. Make sure to wire authentication now so user sessions are stable. Then scaffold API endpoints for fetching questions and submitting responses. You now build the exam engine and user flow. Implement loading a test bundle, start a per test timer, autosave answers in progress, and allow submit or auto-submit on timeout. Connect UI controls for next/previous, flagging, and optional instant feedback. Use optimistic UI updates for snappy feel. On the back end, implement pagination, bulk question upload, and endpoints to calculate user stats like score, accuracy, and time per question. Once synchronized, test end-to-end flows with sample data. You finish by hardening and launching. Add analytics, leaderboards, retry logic, and exportable reports for users. Run load testing and optimize slow DB queries. Introduce caching for hot reads and CDN for assets. Deploy CI/CD and schedule backups plus centralized error logging. Make sure to monitor key metrics after launch. If things go wrong, follow this troubleshooting tip. Reproduce the issue with logs. Check DB indexes and cache. Then roll back to the previous stable build while you patch the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.